Now we are going to discuss about electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Electrolytes are ionic compounds that dissolve in water and conduct electricity. Non-electrolytes are substances that are not ionic but dissolve in water and do not conduct electricity. Sugar is a good example of non-electrolyte. Electrolytes are again classified into strong and weak electrolytes. Strong acids, strong bases, and salts are strong electrolytes. They completely dissociate in solution and produce ions. Weak acids, weak bases are weak electrolytes. They partially dissociate and produce relatively few ions. This test can differentiate between electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Here the materials required are table salt, table sugar, Epsom salt, 3-volt battery, baking soda, powdered chalk, acetone, conductivity probe. In addition to those, beakers, vinegar, washing soda, household ammonia are also used. Before starting, we have to follow all safety regulations that should be followed in the lab. Conductivity probe should be set up, which is used to determine whether or not each solution is conductive. In the first step, place 0.25 grams of each of the compound into separate beakers and label them as shown. Next, add 10 ml of distilled water, vigorously stir and separate images showing the solutions that dissolve completely and that do not dissolve completely. This image shows you the solutions that dissolve completely. And this image shows you the solutions that does not dissolve completely. Then take each solution separately and test the conductivity using conductivity probe. First we did with Epsom salt, which caused the LED to light, which means Epsom salt conducts electricity and is a strong electrolyte. Repeat the same with the sample of vinegar solution. Now repeat the same process with distilled water using conductivity probe. Now we took washing soda solution and measured the conductivity. Now we took sugar solution and test the conductivity, where we can observe the LED doesn't light, which means sugar does not conduct electricity and is a non-electrolyte. Now we did the same process with sodium bicarbonate solution, that is baking soda. Now we took sodium chloride solution, that is table salt, and test the conductivity, where we can observe the LED to light, which means sodium chloride solution conduct electricity and is a good electrolyte. Now we measured the conductivity of acetone sample solution. Repeat the same by using a sample of powdered chalk solution. Finally, with a sample of household ammonia solution. So with this test, we finally observe salts, baking soda, washing soda, household ammonia are electrolytes as they conduct electricity. Table sugar is a non-electrolyte as it could not conduct electricity. Thank you for watching this video.